I prefer saving money mainly to be prepared for difficult times. But above all, I achieved important goals shown as building a house in the car and ordered circumstance and made no step at all and the instant span of the teen enjoy most eating out, shopping and exploring new places. I were to praising a large amount of money, I would love travel around the world, visited different continents, invested in my own project to buy a company and also bought a country house. Living on a forest source should be nature, animals, and trees is the strength for me is present pace and the substantial listening. In reading management, I would prefer to keep part of in the cast and the rest of car. However, I feel more comfortable using cash for daily expenses. If a friend of mine were to raise an insignificant amount of money, I would soon had she also it is wisely either bull pushings and a house getting reliably transports or teaching her or beauties to general 13 income. Finally, I levied had spending money on sensing thing how will know be housing or will now generate anti is wasted.